Okay, so this one example 4, page number 170 and chapter 8. Okay, decimals, right?
Okay.
So what is given here? Fill in the blanks in the table using block information given below and write the corresponding number in decimal form. Correct?
Yeah.
So here you see 100 blocks are there. Okay.
Okay.
So in our table for hundreds we will write 1. Then here this is a block of 10 blocks and 3 10 blocks are here. So we will write 3 in our tens place in the place value table.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
here 2 unit blocks are there. So in ones we will write 2. Okay. Hello, Jivan.
Okay.
If any doubt, ask me. Huh?
Okay.
And here 1/10th block is there. So in our tens place we will write 1. Then
Okay.
here this one 500th blocks are there. Okay, 100th block means this is 1/100th of this unit block. Okay.
Okay.
And this one 10th block means it is 1/10 of a unit block. Means if we divide this unit block into 10 equal parts, then this one is equivalent to 1 part of that one. And if we divide this block into 100 equal parts and take 1 part of that, then this is equivalent to that one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So as 500th blocks are here, so we will write in our 100th place 5. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now we will calculate the number formed. So here in hundreds place we have 1. So we will write it as 100 multiplied by 1, that is 100. Okay.
Okay.
Or simply you can add 2 zeros. Clear?
Okay.
Then for tens we have 3. So we will add 1 0. Or we can multiply it with 10. So we get 30. Okay.
Okay.
Then for ones we will write as it is, because we will multiply with 1 and any number multiplied by 1 is same number.
Yeah.
Then this one 10th. So 1/10th of a unit block. So means 1 equal 1 multiplied by 1/10, that is 1/10. Then this one 5 multiplied by 1/100 means 5/100. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Or if we will write it in a simple manner. Okay, if we try to understand it in a simple manner, simply we can write all the numbers. I will erase everything, 1 second. Okay, so simply we will write this 1, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 5. We will write all the numbers in the same sequence and put decimal sign after 2 and before this 10th place. After 1's place and before 10th place. So here we will put the decimal sign. See, it is the result. Understood?
Okay.
Very simple. Huh?